Continuous action, doing. Pronunciation. D, oo, do. W, do. E, doey. Doing. Doing is a continuous action. Question for action. What is he doing? Remember, he is positive. Question, switch. Switch, is he. Complete question. What is he doing? For a girl, what is she doing? Let's practice. What is he doing?
He's reading.
Very good. What is he doing?
He's swimming.
And what is he doing?
He's eating.
What is she doing?
She's sleeping.
That's right. What is he doing?
He's watching TV.
And what is she doing?
She's sweeping.
Very good. Continuous action, fixing. Pronunciation, f, I, fi, k, fic, s, fix. Fix is a simple action, continuous form, fixie, fixie, fixing. Now, Robert is fixing the car. Question, what is he doing?
He's fixing the car.
Very good. Question, what is he doing? Respond. Very good. New vocabulary. Sink. Pronunciation, s, e, c, sing, k, sink. John is fixing the sink. Question, is he learning English?
No, he's not learning English.
Question for action, what is he doing?
He's fixing the sink.
Very good. Question, is he learning English? Respond. Very good. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. Continuous action, watering the flower. Pronunciation, f, l, fl, ow, flow, flow, flower. The flower, the flower. Peter is watering the flower. Pronunciation, watering. W, ah, wa, d, wad, water. Water. Water, continuous action. Watery, watery, watering. Continuous action, Peter is watering the flower. Question, is he fixing the car?
No, he's not.
What is he doing?
He's watering the flower.
Very good. Question, is he fixing the car? Respond. Very good. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. Continuous action, planting the tree. Pronunciation, t, ter, e, tree. Pronunciation, tree. Or, ch, chur, e, tree. Pronunciation with tr, two pronunciation, tree or tree. Tree is American pronunciation. Sam is planting the tree. Planting. P, pl, a, pla, plan. T, plant. Plant. Continuous action. Plantee. Planting. Sam is planting the tree. Question, is he fixing the sink?
No, he's not.
What is he doing?
He's planting the tree.
Very good. Question, is he fixing the sink? Respond. Very good. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. Continuous action. Watching TV. Pronunciation, TV. T, E, T, V, TV. E, TV. Zach is watching TV. Pronunciation watching. W. A. Wa. Ch. Watch. Watch is the simple action. Continuous form. Watch. E. Watchy. Watching. Watching. Zach is watching TV. Question. Is he fixing the sink?
No, he's not.
What is he doing?
He's watching TV.
Very good. Question. Is he fixing the sink? Respond. Question. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. Continuous action. Playing. Timothy is playing video games. Pronunciation. V. I. Vid. D. Vid. E. Vidi. O. Video. Video games. Pronunciation. G. A. Gay. Game. Z. Games. 1 video game. 2 video games. Timothy is playing. The action playing. Pronunciation. P. A. Play. Play is the simple form. Continuous. Play. Y. Play. E. Play ye. Playing. With continuous action, it is necessary is. I am playing. You are playing. Timothy is playing video games. Let's practice. Is he fixing the car?
No, he's not.
What is he doing?
He's playing video games.
Very good. Let's practice. Is he fixing the car? Respond. Very good. What is he doing? Respond. That's right. Continuous action, going. Pronunciation. G. O. Go. Go is the simple action. Let's go. Go in a continuous form. Go. W. Go. E. Go we. Going. He is going to school. To. To is connector for direction or movement. He is going to school. Go to the school, not correct. Go to school. For work, he's going to work. Go to the work, not correct. Go to work. So, let's practice. What is he doing?
He's going to school.
That's right. He's going to school. And what is he doing?
He's going to work.
Very good. Question. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. And what is he doing? Respond. Very good. Mary is going to the store. Now we have to the store. And Matt is going to the park. The park and the store. Let's practice. What is she doing?
She's going to the store.
Very good. And what is he doing?
He's going to the park.
Very good. Question. What is she doing? Respond. Very good. And what is Matt doing? Respond. Very good. Good job.